Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura C6 espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to do a tune-up, which means we had to open the entire machine up in order for us to get to the brew unit that is located right in the center of the machine. We then took out the brew unit, deep cleaned it, re-lubricated and replaced the O-rings of the entire thing. Put it back together, descale the machine and do some cleaning cycles as well. So now we're going to be doing a cappuccino. In order for us to test pretty much everything at once, we're going to be testing the steamer, we're going to be also testing the spouts, and we're going to be testing the entire machine. Now we're going to using milk. We're using the milk alternative. This is milk cleaner and it's going to still be behaving as milk. You're going to see a nice steady flow coming out through here, as you can see right there, and it's going to foam out from the spout into the cup. Beautiful foam coming out of the machine. Look at that. Looking excellent. Flow coming out from the spouts is a nice steady stream, as you can see right there. Excellent color forming at the bottom of the cup, as well as on the foam. Looking great. Hot water for this machine. We're going to test it out as well. It's going to come out through this spout, and as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature as well, working perfectly fine. So there you have it, Jura C6 working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to the channel.